Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we were doing chemistry classes and this is the second class. I hope these classes are helping you for your exam preparation. Actually these questions are really important for exam. So please watch the video till the end and make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start with the first question. Which of the following is used to remove the green color from glass? Option number D is the right answer, manganese dioxide. Question number 2. Which of the following has the lowest melting point? Option number B, zinc is the right answer. Question number 3. Soda water obtained by passing carbon dioxide in water is? Option number C, acidic in nature. Question number 4. What is the chemical name of the deadly poison cyanide? Option number D, prussic acid. Question number 5. Which among the following acid is also known as the muriatic acid? Option number A, hydrochloric acid. Question number 6. Oil of vitriol is the common name of which of the following? Option number D, sulfuric acid. 7. Citric acid is present in free form in? Option number D is the right answer, lemon. Question number 8. Which acid is present in acid rain? Important question. Option number C, nitric acid. Question number 9. When we cut an onion, the synthase enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxide of the onion into which acid? When we cut an onion, the synthase enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxide of the onion into which acid? Option number D is the right answer, sulfanic acid. Question number 10. Which of the following is the major component of vinegar? Option number D, acetic acid. Question number 11. The solution of which one of the following will have pH less than 10? Option number C, FeCl3. 12. The pH of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. When it is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, the pH of water? Option number B, decreases. Question number 13. Which of the following do not contain carbon? Option number D, sand. 14. The highest amount of carbon is in? Option number A, pig iron. 15. Burning of hydrogen produces? Option number D, water. 16. The substance used as moderator and coolant both in nuclear reactor is? Option number B is the right answer, heavy water. Chemical formula D2O. 17. Which gas is used in the purification of drinking water? Option number B is the right answer, chlorine. 18. The gas used in the manufacture of Vanaspati ghee from Vanaspati oil is? Option number A is the right answer, hydrogen. 19. Which gas is known as the noble gas? Which of the following gas is known as the noble gas? Option number C is the right answer, helium. 20. Which gas is mixed with oxygen for respiration by divers in deep sea? Option number A, helium. 21. Which is used as laughing gas? Option number A is the right answer, nitrous oxide. 22. Which one of the following is also called stranger gas? Option number C is the right answer, xenon. 23. Tear gas is option number B, chlorine. 24. Which has is filled at low pressure in a tube light? Option number B is the right answer, argon and mercury vapor. 25. The most reactive among the halogens is option number A, fluorine. Question number 26. A solution turns red litmus blue. The pH of solution is red litmus blue. Okay. The pH of solution is option number D is the right answer. Actually, pH of solution will be greater than 7. Approximately 10, I think. 27. The hypo solution used in photography in an aqueous solution of option number A is the right answer, sodium thiosulfate. Chemical formula is Na2S2O3. Question number 28. Baking soda is option number A, sodium bicarbonate. 29. The chemical formula of baking soda is option number A, NaHCO3. 30. The chemical formula of washing soda is option number B, Na2CO3. 31. Methane gas producing field is option number B, paddy field. 32. Leakage of which of the following gases had caused the Bhopal gas tragedy? Option number A is the right answer, methyl isocyanate. 33. Which of the following gases is used in cigarette lighters? Option number A is the right answer, butane. 34. Poisonous mustard gas is a option number B, liquid. 35. Calcium carbide is used for artificial ripening of green fruits because it produces option number C is the right answer, acetylene. 36. Which one of the following is also known as wood sprit? Option number A, methyl alcohol. 37. Fermentation of sugar leads to option number A, ethyl alcohol. 38. Ethyl alcohol is made unfit for drinking by the addition of the following. Option number B, methanol and pyridine. 39. To whom molasses are excellent raw material for production? Molasses are excellent raw material for production. To whom? Option number C, alcohol. 40. Which one of the following is a natural polymer? Important question. Option number B is the right answer, silk. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.